Cooking chicken tenderloins. Cooking chicken tenderloins. Total time: 20 minutes. Prep 10 minutes. Cook 10 minutes. Yield 5 servings level intermediate. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken tenders. Salt and pepper. 1, 8-ounce, container plain yogurt. 2 cups finely ground, toasted breadcrumbs. Olive oil or pan coating. Directions. Watch how to make this recipe. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F. And heat season chicken with salt and pepper. Pour yogurt into a shallow dish or plate. Pour breadcrumbs into a separate shallow dish or plate. Dredge chicken through yogurt, shake off excess, place in crumbs, and coat all over. Gently shake off excess crumbs. Spray a large non-stick pan with olive oil or pan coating. Place tenders on the pan and bake for 6 minutes. Turn tenders over and bake another 6 minutes, or until tenders are crisp and cooked through. Cooking chicken tenderloins.